Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word overweight. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She was advised by her doctor to exercise regularly to help her lose weight, as she was significantly overweight. Overweight refers to having more body weight than is considered healthy or normal, often leading to health risks like heart disease and diabetes. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.